The National Human Rights Commission has called for the protection of the rights of key populations in Nigeria, which include people living with HIV and AIDS and other vulnerable groups prone to stigmatization. Mr. Tony Ojukwu, Executive Secretary of NHRC, made the call at a workshop on strategic capacity building and planning on the protection of rights of key populations in Nigeria. The workshop was organized by the Commission in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme, Joint United Nations Programme on HIV and AIDS, and the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief.
This workshop is being put together by the National Human Rights Commission in collaboration with the EU-UN Spotlight Initiative and the UNDP. Our appreciation, of course, also goes to our partners, the UNAIDS and PEPFAR, who have supported the Commission, technically and otherwise, to program around the protection of the rights of key populations in Nigeria.
Ojukwu stated that in March 2021, the NHRC intervened to secure the release of 19 young men who were arrested in Anambra State on the charge of cultism and for being gay. He added that the Yobe State Office intervened to stop the lynching of an entire family because their son was accused of sodomy.
You will recall the case where in Anambra State, fellow Nigerians who are KPs were having a party, and they were arrested, about 91 of them. Of course, the Commission cannot sit down and watch that kind of violation going on. We have to step in and make sure that they were granted bail and released. If anybody has committed any offense, you charge that person to court. But you don't, on discriminatory grounds, now arrest such people and start subjecting them to inhuman and degrading treatment. You are also aware of the case in Yobe State, where just the mere fact that somebody was accused of sodomy, which has not been proved by a court of competent jurisdiction, then almost a mob action to mob the person to death. Now, why won't, even if somebody is a gay, you have to find him guilty in a court of law before you can take any action against him. So, you don't subject such a person to mob action.
Speaking also, Erva-Jean, Stevens Murphy, a representative of UNAIDS, said there are about 1.4 million people in Nigeria living with HIV and AIDS who need an enabling environment to live.
Identifying people who are HIV positive, putting persons on treatment. Nigeria has close to 1.4 million persons living with HIV on treatment today.
She also commended NHRC and the work on protection of rights.
I must commend the NHRC for taking this initiative to prepare its staff members to serve Nigerians, to serve the population so that they can maintain this dignity and protect their rights.